Me and Joe have a bet that everything you shot is not gonna work.
It's gonna be trash?
Yeah.
And if it's not trash, what do I get?
Joe's weekly pay.
On record, this is my first time shooting video rollers with this gimbal.
Hey, if you do good with it,
I'm fine.
you could fire him. You could take his pay.
Done.
And you have to quit all your other jobs.
We have a customer. Well, it's not a customer. He's a customer of this gas station, I guess. He's filling up gas and his car died, battery. So we're gonna be really good citizens and help him out.
How does that even happen?
I don't know. That's what happens when you don't come see me to check up on your car and make sure your battery's in good condition.
Thank you so much. No problem.
We film everything we do for our YouTube.
We're a famous shop, so we do filming.
Is that your shop?
Yes, we do filming and stuff like that.
Every time I bypass from here, I admire your shop.
Nice, thank you.
And I say, God bless. I work with Mercedes-Benz of North America for 31 years.
Oh, really?
And I worked for past 4 years. I was doing some restoration on older cars. And so cars, it's my life. I worked with Jaguar for 6 years. What's your name?
Moses.
Moses.
Try it. There you go. Oh, that's a lot of work.
Can I buy you 6-pack of beer?
He's actually an alcoholic, so don't buy him any.
Thank you very much.
Thank
One
you.
day I'll stop by.
No problem. Yeah, just stop by. We don't want to charge too much. We're good.
Thank you.
Later, man.
Thank you, guys.
That was awesome. So I just made 2 new friends. It's really cool to make new friends. You never know. You might see these people someday. You know, at Universal Studios Horror Nights, Arby's, In-N-Out Burger. You never know.
You don't even know their names.
Yeah, I forgot. But I'll remember their face. But they're cool. They look like they're cool people. And always remember, it's free to help.
Yeah, right. If I wasn't filming, you would have never done that.
Yeah. If Joe Viz wasn't here, I probably wouldn't even care. Javier's on this M5. He's replacing the airbag. Since when? Last month? This is a lot of work, and you can tell he doesn't work this fast, usually. So the reason why he's working fast is because today's payroll is Friday. He's anxious to get his check before 6 o'clock so he can
Jam out of here.
he can go out. He can get out and go buy himself another bike. Yeah, he's excited. And by the way, his glasses are not even prescription glasses. He found them on the ground, and he thinks they are. He thinks they were.
I can see better.
They're losing a lot of hair. Let me see. Oh my God.
Yeah, this.
Yeah, it's time for you and I to hold hands and go to get a hair transplant.
Go to Turkey.
The only problem is after 3 months you lose all your hair again. That's why it's only $2,000.
No, well, it grows back. Oh, your friend came back. Was it?
Oh my God.
Oh, well, he bring good money. Bring you some
Oh,
money.
we're dead. So I jumped this car and I probably ruined this engine.
Can I get you a cigarette? Can I get
No,
you something?
I'm good. I don't want anything.
All I do
Honest to goodness?
Yeah,
Well, thank you.
You're
I
welcome.
appreciate it. I
Yeah.
really do appreciate
no
it.
problem. Anytime.
My name is Sam, by the way.
You're welcome, Simon.
All
See
right,
ya.
thank you, guys.
See ya. That's a nice guy. He came back to say thank you again.
You were scared, huh?
Yeah. People are nice. They're not always like you. You've been working for the company for 13 years. You haven't bought lunch once.
Why would he buy lunch for the ghost?
Why would I have to buy lunch? But I mean, I buy lunch for the guys sometimes when it's on special. No, but Javier's a good guy. I don't care what they say about him.
No one said anything about it. How were you today?
Good, thank you. Passing my time over here.
What are you doing?
Killing time.
7-year
Course in this shop.
7 years?
Yeah, 7 years.
Damn, time to quit.
I wish.
So he's the best polisher.
Oh, he's a good polisher guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's doing a good job. Look at me. Yeah, he's good.
Better than you? Better than
For
you?
polishing, yes.
He fell today.
He sent 2 employees 2 hours away for no reason.
Do what?
Because he sent Junior, the car wash kid, and Santos, who does a lot of our wheels and tires. They were out of the office, and I made him do both of their work combined.
Yeah.
So he was carrying wheels and I was washing cars.
I brought 8 26-inch rims from Forward up there. The Forward down here. I broke my back.
It's his job. He's doing his job. You don't do your job. He films. His job is to create content.
Everyone does their
And
job
my job is
besides
to
you.
drink coffee.
Yeah.
That's my job. Is to drink coffee.
That's
Ice cold
awesome.
coffee.
I just film you when I don't have content.
It's because of you.
Everybody
He has a
is
job.
in Monterey looking at cars on grass, wearing suits and everything, and we're over here, pants working on cars in the heat. So.
What's next on this M5?
Airbags and that's it. Sit there.
Car. Oh my God, there's no gas.
Again.
I'm going to the gas station.
Again. Why you have this
I don't
guy
have
with-
my wallets in the car.
Hey, why do you have Sarkis over here? Put gas in the cars, no?
Can you give Dick 20 for gas?
Do you need money for gas?
Where's the key? Where's the key?
Where's the key? Come on, guys.
Oh my
Again.
God.
It's okay. It's his last day. He's like, oh yeah. Let's see what $40 gets you in this. Probably quarter tank.
I give you more if you want.
What?
Oh. A little over a quarter. Not bad.
Okay, let's go. Alright guys, we are inside that crazy Cullinan. This might be the craziest Cullinan we've ever done. It's brand new Cullinan, has like 500 miles. Owner bought this car with this intent. He wanted to make it purple. So he got this Inozatec midnight purple color. It's one of the nicest purples in my opinion. This car came to us and it was a white color with this crazy Charles blue interior. Charles blue interior is like a very, very light baby blue color. It's a little bit newer color from Rolls Royce. And as you can see, this one is a crazy spec version because it has the headliner. It has a bunch of stuff in Charles blue. Normally, you get a lot of things missing. To get this in blue is very difficult. This is usually black. So all Charles blue. It's Charles blue everywhere. We got sick of the white, so this is the next step up in my opinion. Dark midnight purple with the Charles blue goes really good together. And as you can see, 1016 Industries full wide body. This is our 4th one. We just finished that black one with those crazy wheels. This car actually has some crazy wheels as well. It has a full face wheel, 26-inch once again, just to go crazy drastic. I'm on 30 series tires, so it's not very, very thin tires, but pretty good. Once we got the car done with the whole kit, we noticed something was a little bit off. It was just too dark, even though it wasn't like all black. It was just weird because the purple wasn't black and the wheels were black. It just kind of threw it off in my opinion. And we decided to do white wall tires. So white wall tires on 26-inch wheels on a wide body Cullinan. This is absurd, honestly. It looks crazy to build this car, to finish it up for you guys within 1 week. It was a lot of fun. Emblems are also black and purple to match, so we did those steps as well. So the whole car is black and purple with the Charles blue and the white wall tires. Very, very special Cullinan in my opinion. We've done a lot of Cullinans and we've done so many color themes, but not a midnight purple one, honestly. I sent it to a few close friends. They're tripping over it. Some people are going to be subjective. Obviously, it's a Rolls Royce Cullinan. Some people are not going to like it, that it has all these things, that it has big black wheels and white wall tires. So people are going to trip out over it, but we accept that because doing different things are not going to please everybody. The owner came by, saw it. Owner is ecstatic about it. We've done many Cullinans with this owner, actually, many different things, and he is loving this thing. I hope you guys enjoy it. This was a lot of hard work this week. We did a million things this week. It's still not stopping. We're finishing up a bunch of Urises. We actually visited the old shop because we went to the old gray wall and did a photo shoot of this car. We thought it would be nostalgic to bring it back with such a big build like this. But yeah, sadly, our old location, many people ask, why did we leave it? What's going on? Because all of our actual banners are on there. Our logos are on there. It's still intact, except it's boarded up. And now it's been graffitied to hell. It's got so much graffiti on there. Unfortunately, it's not our location anymore. We would have stayed there. We would have kept that and kept going, but the current landlord wanted to sell it. I don't think he's sold it yet. He was adamant about selling it, and you know, our lease was up, so we had to leave it quite quickly. He wouldn't give us a new lease because he was selling it. I honestly don't think it's sold, and it's sitting there and it's looking like that. Unfortunately, we wish we could be in there, but we can't. But we gave it a little visit and hope you guys enjoy that. But yeah, we're back to going to our new shop, which is about 3 miles away. So yeah, thanks for watching and supporting.
What's up? My name is Sirtaj. I'm from Winnipeg, Canada. I was actually on the podcast last week. Moses called me and he made his famous little squeaky sound. I was like, who the hell is calling me? But yeah, no, now I'm here now visiting the shop, so it's good to be here.
Oh, that's crazy.
That's cool,
man.
yeah.
So you were already in town?
No, so when you guys called me, I was back home in Winnipeg, but we were planning to come down here this week. So we got here yesterday. Yeah, I'm like, man, I have to go see RDB, so I want to see the shop and the guys.
Yeah, so the phone call on the podcast is pretty cool.
Wait, you didn't answer though, did you?
No, I did. I was the one
you
talking
did?
about the Beamer vs. Benz with Vic and Sarkis.
okay.
Yeah, the last one. Yeah.
That's cool, yeah. So let me see if Vic and Mono are available, because yeah, they're probably playing get back at him. Let me go get them.
Hold on.
Oh, the staple's done?
Hold on, you didn't do it right.
Why'd you open it,
No,
man?
you're not doing it right. Hold on.
Bro, why'd you
No.
do that? We don't have enough staples. What's wrong with you?
Hold on, no.
Bro, what's wrong with you? Just,
No, that
it just so it doesn't fall off of him, bro. The guy's, you ripped his shirt.